Strong wind is still forecast for today, and as we are going nowhere, we decide to head across to Aeroplane Beach to take a look at the Castaway camp.
Put the air guard on.
Got it.
A favourite spot with backpackers, a group is flying out today after spending 2 days as castaways in a tropical paradise. The camp is basic, but clean and functional, and accommodation is intense. A little Cessna will make 5 trips today, ferrying the castaways back to civilization at 1770.
Alright, let's have a look at that one.
Look at you.
There we go.
Yep.
Spectacular views over Busted Head, Jenny Lind and the ocean are experienced during the flight.
I'm talking with Bruce Rhodes from 1770 Castaway. He just landed his plane on Airplane Beach. That was pretty specky seeing a plane land on the beach, Bruce. How often do you fly in and how many people do you bring in here?
We fly in here every 2 days, and we've got a camp established here in the National Park, and we bring in 15 people. So to do that, we've got to do 5 flights in the day that we come in. But as I said, it's every second day.
Yeah, it looks like a very unique spot, and I guess people enjoy the remoteness of the area.
Well, especially as we've got European tourists and they're young people and they've never been out really in the bush like this, and as you say, remoteness is a big thing, but also the other part is they're totally cast away. When I fly away for the last time, they're on their own, and they really enjoy that because they can't get that in Europe anywhere. So they think that is fabulous.
I guess the only other way to get in here is to come in on the lark. Is there any option available for people to fly in and go out on the lark, or vice versa?
That's in the works, in the planning for the future, to do another camp on the other side of the island, on the Jenny Lynn side, and we intend to set up a new camp which will take up to 30 people, and they will lark one way and fly the other. But we intend to invite Australians to be camp supervisors there so that we can teach these people how to catch a fish and how to catch a crab, and they're all really interested in that stuff. So that's something that I'm looking at in the next year or so to get up and running.
Is there any scope for people that are visiting here by boat and staying in Pancake Creek to come and maybe have a scenic flight around the area?
Easily. All they've got to do is, when they see us flying in, to come on down here and approach us, and we're happy to take people up for a joy flight. And in fact, because they only want to go up and do a quick local, it's a very cheap thing to do. It's not like where if I've got to fly them out from Agnes Water to fly over this area, it's much more expensive.
Yep.
After an interesting day, we make our way home.